Hey guys, we always get asked questions as to what are the cool projects we're doing or what we got going on in the shop, so we figured we'll make a video and show you guys what we have going on. Where do we start? Let's start with Slav's orange car. So you guys saw we did the loud titanium exhaust on this from Unobtainium and had it on the dyno. Check out the link in the description for that video. He always likes to block me when I show up to the shop. I always beat him here though. There's my E63. It's a garage queen and only gets driven on days where it decides to rain. ECC built big turbo RS3. It's gonna go on the dyno soon to get dialed in. That was just the maintenance we did. 996 Turbo S Cabriolet. This one is in for just your regular maintenance, new battery, new tires, just a good overall inspection. SL600 is going to be for restoration. We're going to have some cool plans with this one, so stay tuned. Celine Dion's old S600. This used to belong to Vlad, and then a good client of ours bought it. It's got custom wheels that we did for it. We did all the mechanical repairs on it before. It's got a custom air suspension setup, a crazy audio system. Right now we're just doing the wood trim on the inside. We're upgrading it to just a nicer, newer design. So we'll show you guys that soon. Another rare one, SL70. Same thing, we're doing some restoration on it and some mechanical repairs. 48 in for maintenance and repairs. I think it's got a misfire issue, so plugs, coils, and that. That's Vlad's daily. It's a G-Wagon with his custom ECC wheels. It's obviously tuned, ECU, TCU, CPC, intake, and downpipe. It's got an Venturi intake. I'll get the keys after and show it to you guys. Got a 84 380 SL. Same thing, we're doing some maintenance on it, some cosmetic work. This one needs a lot of suspension repairs and like a refresh. So we might see this car back in September, October when the driving season's done to get that done. You don't see these that often. ML63 with the 6.2 motor. This one has headers actually. Once we finish the service, we'll do a little ref for you guys so you can hear it. 812 GTS, got a little boo-boo and hit something. Custom ECC wheels. Got a Bentley Azure that was dropped off. For maintenance, tires, a lot of suspension work that it needs. These things always break. Cool little R8 on air suspension. Nothing cool here. We got a R33 GTST. We actually built this car maybe 6 or 7 years ago for a client, and he sold it to another client of ours. So he brought it back for some engine work. He needs to do a paint job or wrap on it. But there you go. It's a Precision Gen 1 6266. RA coal pack upgrades, RB26 head. Here we got Picasso. Just doing Picasso things. 190E full restoration project. It's a 190E Cosworth. And I'll give you guys a sneak peek without making a mess, but we won't say what it is. We'll give you a little sneak peek. And that's it. You can comment below what that motor is. Just cut me off, hey? How about that? We have Vlad's 930 RUF BTR turbo. A little restoration job and mechanical refresh. We're just about done with it. It already is up and running, but in the next couple of days it should be coming off the hoist. So you got a teamwork of Vlad and 3 of the guys working on it, or 2 of the guys working on it. Start with filming. You're walking in my.
Finish it up.
Just walking in my shot. Well, it's too tall now, but while the engine and transmission was out, we actually dry ice blasted the engine bay and underneath the car, just to kind of clean up and get all that road gunk off of it. And you can see a little bit here. You know, this car is from 1985. It's actually as old as Vlad. It's an old school single turbo car. Just got a set of our ECC wheels done for this E53. This car runs our stage 2 setup, so ECU, TCU, CPC. My my favorite thing to do to these.
Ready? Yeah.
Up to the top and then reflect into the bottom. So this one bulb we have to tilt a little bit, and it should be great.
Yeah, I will correct
this
that.
one. So this one is okay, but this one we have to correct a little bit. And then you see, you don't have then reflection. No blinding.
So when Bob first got the car, he just wanted to get the oil pan resealed because it was leaking, but then he's like, while we're there, why don't we do rod bearings? Next thing you know, we have the timing cover off. There's a timing chain guide that was on the verge of just flying out of there and breaking off. So next thing you know, the entire engine was apart. As I mentioned before, forged pistons. They're high compression pistons actually. New camshafts, they're high lift camshafts, they're from Strick. Timing chain, guides, tensioners, oil pump, you name it, it's been refreshed. Fueling's been upgraded. It's got the radium fuel pressure regulator. Turner Motorsports CSL box. Suspension wise, it's got Molton race dampers. It's fully caged. It's got the interior with it as well, obviously. It's got a really cool short shifter kit. Like, you actually need this when you track your car. This isn't to show up to your local car meet. Yeah, we'll know more about it, so.
Yeah, so today is actually an exciting day because we're going to tune this car and see what it can actually do after a couple years of it sitting down and, you know, not doing anything. But yeah, it's got some really cool mods and something that I always wanted to do. It's one of my favorite cars. So today we'll see what it makes and we'll post the results.
So one of our good friends purchased this car, and when he bought it, we told him, make sure you have the money for an old Ferrari. And now he's about to find, Nico, you're about to find out. It's not bad. It's only 3,500 bucks in parts, plus another 3,500 just because it's Ferrari. Well, that's it. Let's get the cover off. Be careful with this beautiful exhaust that we had made for this. Yes. Don't get it too greasy. I'm gonna send him a video of this.
No problem.
You have problem with release bearing, sir? We are doing confirmation. Dean's 1050 wheel horsepower TTRS. He runs 8s with this thing. But with great power comes great responsibility, or whatever they say, or something like this. So when you make a lot of power, occasionally, doesn't matter how reinforced things are, occasionally things break. Such as, yeah, so we sheared that right off. What's that meme? Wait a minute, that's not supposed to happen. I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas.
It ain't got no gas in it.
So the wheel's turning, but the axle that's supposed to be turning the wheel is not turning with the wheel. So we have a problem there. See that? This is supposed to be turning, but it's not. But the wheel's turning. Whereas this one turns with it. I should become a mechanic.
No, God, please, no!
I'm working on this 2023 SL63. This is one of our good clients who's left the vehicle with us to do some R&D on it, so we can finally flash ECU, TCU, and CPC on these, and we've been working really hard at it, finally making some headway with it, and hopefully you guys will see an official announcement soon when it's finally ready to go. This has a different variant of the gateway. It's an EZS 223 The ECU is different from the previous generation V8 AMGs. This is the MRG1 AMG V8 ECU. CPC is a CPC3 variant, so everything's different about this car compared to the previous gen ones. So we've been trying really hard to crack it, and we're getting close, so stay tuned.
Got this cool two-door convertible Brabus G-Wagon. Customer just dropped it off. Just gonna do a diagnostics on it for the engine. It's got a check engine light, and then I gotta balance the wheels. It's an actual Brabus. It's not a random one with a Brabus sticker on it. It's got the upgraded brakes, Brabus wheels. You can look at the gauges, and it's got some upgrades onto the engine as well.
Hey, so what are you doing?
I just made shipping labels to get turbos from Germany shipped over here for Slav's GLC, because we're going to be testing another set. So I'm going to get those sent off. And then you guys probably saw the Bentley Azure we have here. We fully did an inspection on the car. Needs a lot of work. I have a page-long list of parts that we got to order and services to do on it. So I got to email our local dealer, get some pricing in ETA. After that, the same thing for the yellow Porsche that we have. It's a 05 996 Turbo S. Really cool car, really clean car actually. Gotta service that car. Gotta finish ordering parts for the 722. We gotta deliver that E60 this week. We have to deliver the C1 Corvette. We have another Rolls Royce coming in for AC work and I believe some suspension work. We have an S600 coming for wheels and more work. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the cool stuff we have in the showroom. There's always something interesting popping up. This week we have a 722S, a Mercedes McLaren 722S. They're very rare. I think there's only maybe one or two or a handful in Canada. Car is in for full maintenance, so all the fluids, tires it needs both batteries, door shocks are failing on the car, so the gull wings don't really stay up. You'll see that in a future video. It's a very, very low mileage car, but things get old and you need to be on top of things. We've got quite a bit of display wheels. You guys have seen me do a lot of ECC Forged custom wheels, so all this will be changed to the ECC stuff we carry. We're also an authorized dealer for HRE wheels. So if you guys ever want HRE wheels, come see us. We have a few examples on display for you guys. Now here we have a Mercedes-Benz E60 AMG, not an E55, an E60 AMG. They're quite rare. This one we just did a restoration on, so full repaint, mechanical repairs and maintenance. Freshen up the interior, put a brand new audio system in it, very OEM plus look. So it's got an upgraded head unit. It's obviously got all the modern amenities like Bluetooth and all that fun stuff, but it looks OEM and old school. Speakers, amps, everything's been upgraded. And here we've got Vlad's TTRS. This is one of our drag cars, set up for the drag strip obviously. The 2018 TTRS, obviously fully custom tuned with on-the-fly map switching, all done through the stock ECU. There is no nitrous, no meth on this car. It's a fully built motor, bigger turbo, bigger fuel system. And as I mentioned, custom tuned on a stock ECU. This car ran 8.9 at almost 158 miles an hour early 2020. And honestly, since then, we've been way, way too busy and we've actually haven't driven it for a few years, so it's just been sitting here. Maybe later on in the season, towards the end of the season, we'll probably take this out, try and get a better time with it. You can check out the interior. So it's fully caged. Obviously, you know, you're going for lightweight. You still have the electric windows in, AC's in, dash is in, airbag is in. It's still plated, even though there's a parachute there, it is still plated. You can drive it to the grocery store. I actually drove it to the grocery store once. It's very scary. And under here, it looks pretty OEM plus, you could say. I mean, yes, it's got a big intake. It's got a billet manifold. Obviously, something's going on there, but otherwise, looks stock. Obviously, you know, we're chasing better times at the track, so you gotta put the car on a heavy diet. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fenders, and they're actual carbon fiber, they're not wrapped. And carbon fiber doors. And it's a full plexiglass tailgate with carbon fiber as well. So car is sub 3,000 pounds. And on the ethanol setup, it makes about 1,038 to the ground at all 4 wheels. All right. Day's over. It's 7 o'clock. We actually closed an hour ago. Everyone's gone home. Time to have my 3rd coffee of the day and then pack up and go home. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We'll try and do more shop tour videos like that to show you guys some behind the scenes and cool stuff. If you have any questions, comment below. If you've got a cool car you want us to work on, reach out. Cheers.